If you need to upload mega files to Google Drive as fast as possible, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the simplest method to upload a large file using Google Drive, plus a few speed tips that can help you get the job done faster and avoid common mistakes. Now, just to be clear, actual upload speed still depends on your internet connection and the size of your file, but there are definitely ways to make the process smoother and more efficient. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in to the Google account where you want the file stored. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This is where you can start a new upload. From the menu, choose File Upload. If you're uploading a folder instead of a single file, you can also choose Folder Upload. But for a mega file, File Upload is usually the fastest and most straightforward option. Now your computer will open a file picker window. Find the large file you want to upload, click it once, and then select Open. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will begin uploading the file automatically. At this point, the best thing you can do is keep the tab open and let the upload finish. If you close the tab too early or your connection drops, the upload may pause or fail, depending on your browser and network conditions. While the file is uploading, Google Drive usually shows a progress bar at the bottom right of the screen. You can monitor the upload there, and once it completes, you'll see the file appear in your drive. If you want to make sure everything is working properly, you can refresh the page after the upload finishes and confirm that the file is saved correctly. Now, let's talk about how to make large uploads faster. The most important factor is your upload speed. A strong internet connection matters more than anything else. If you want the best results, try uploading when fewer devices are using the network. That means no streaming, no gaming, and no other heavy downloads in the background while your file is going up to Drive. Another helpful tip is to avoid uploading many files at once if your goal is speed. If you have one huge file, upload that first. Multiple uploads can compete for bandwidth and slow everything down. Also, if you're using a VPN, consider turning it off while uploading. VPNs can sometimes reduce transfer speed and make large uploads take much longer than necessary. If your file is extremely important, it's also a good idea to keep an eye on your browser and avoid letting your computer sleep during the upload. You can adjust your power settings if needed so the system stays awake until the transfer is done. That small step can save you from having to start over. Now, here's a reality check. When people say they want to upload mega files to Google Drive in seconds, that only really happens if the file is already in the cloud somewhere, or if the file is very small. For true large files, the upload still takes time, but using the right method and a fast connection can make it as efficient as possible. So to recap, open Google Drive, click New, choose File Upload, select your file, and keep the tab open until the upload is complete. Use a fast internet connection, avoid VPNs, upload one large file at a time, and don't let your computer go to sleep. Follow those steps and you'll get the smoothest upload experience possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.